Hi, my name is Justin Meade and I'm the Brand Portfolio Manager for GEOVIA's Earth modelling applications. Today I want to demonstrate how you can work with textured meshes in Surpac 6.8. With the rapid growth of drone surveying occurring in mines all over the world, modern survey packages are now able to rapidly create high-resolution and accurately geolocated representations of the ground. In mining environments, this is most commonly high walls or active underground mining faces. This virtualization of the rock face allows geologists and engineers to now do many of their time-consuming tasks out of the high-risk mining area and away from heavy machinery and unsupported rock faces. Surpac 6.8 has introduced support for OBJ textured meshes, which are the most common type of textured mesh file created through photogrammetry systems. With a high-resolution and geo-referenced image, now directly integrated with our geology and mine planning tools, let's see one example of how we can leverage this new dataset. With this underground scan from AtomTech, I'm going to demonstrate marking up the position of rock bolts before shotcrete is applied and we're no longer able to see their positions easily. Here, I load a scan of a tunnel, and you can clearly see where the rock bolts are located. I'll grab the digitize tool and mark the position of all of the bolts, remembering to snap to triangles for precision. This accurate location of the rock bolts in situ is critical in organisations where autonomous mining is being employed, as sometimes the bolts end up in slightly different locations to the support plan. And if further drilling occurs in the area, we don't want our machines to hit an existing bolt and slow things down. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this example of one way to use textured meshes within Surpac 6.8.